Hi everyone! Today, disconnect muna tayo to the busy city and let's connect ourselves with family and friends and of course to the nature. No? So today, nandito tayo sa Punta Tierra Blanca Beach Resorts. This is a tropical Bali-inspired resorts and located sa Barangay Gatasan, Catanawan, Quezon Province. Malayo talaga siya from Manila, 6 hours ang biyahe but traveled is worth because we can see the beauty of nature, we can feel the peace, the calmness, and the beautiful simple living here in the province. And what I like most here is the seafood. Here we are, so sa pagpasok natin, makikita kaagad natin ang kanilang main attraction at ito ang kanilang event hall kung saan dito nagaganap ang kanilang mga live band performance, mayroong specific day at ito ay free lang sa mga guest. At ito naman ang kanilang mga rooms or log houses na pinaparentahan where to stay with your family, friends, barkadas, no? So in front of a beautiful gardens. Ayan, napakaganda naman talaga ng concept ng resorts na to, no? So, this is conceptualized by the owner and inspired daw ito sa traditional houses in Thailand. And sa area na to, halos lahat fully air-conditioned ang mga rooms or log houses na yan and capacity up to 15 packs. Kaya this is perfect for a group team building, family gathering, friends, and barkadas bonding. At sa area na to, mayroong iba't ibang sculpture, katulad nitong farmers na nakasakay sa kalabaw na may hilang karusa. So ito ang isa sa mga sculpture na nagpapaalala sa mga kulturang Pinoy, no? Meron din ditong General Luna, so ayan, joke lang, ito pala. Sa area na to, nandito ang kanilang Wi-Fi zone. So, ang connection na to is only accessible here in this area. Hindi na siya umaabot sa entire or sa buong area. At ito naman ang kanilang massage area. So, pwede ka magpa-massage after a long drive. Next, nandito na tayo sa kanilang front beach. At dito mayroong mga water activities. So, tanungin lang natin si Marian kung ano-anong mga activities ang pwedeng gawin dito. So, mayroon daw ditong island hopping. So, naka-highlight dito ang rock formation in sandbar. Mayroon din kayaking, boating, floating balsa, snorkeling. So, napaka-exciting ng mga activities dito, no? Lalo na kapag ganito kaganda ang panahon na sasalubong sa'yo, no? Mai-enjoy mo talaga ng husto ang water activities dito. Next, ito naman ang kanilang mga cottages para sa mga walk-in or day tour ng mga guest. So, nag-complements naman talaga siya sa concept ng buong resorts, no? Kaya pang Instagrammable talaga ang view dito. At meron pa ditong log houses, air-conditioned beach view, good for 4 packs. This is Kawayan 1 and 2. Next, a Bali hut. Ito po yung room namin. So, this is open kubo. Ventilated. I actually wanted to have aircon, but it was fully booked. So, we got this Bali hut in a cheapest price with capacity up to 12 packs or more. Hindi naman kami na-disappoint dahil napaka-spacious ng area at beach view pa, no? That you can surely relax and recharge na dito pa lang. For more details, visit their Facebook page, Punta Tierra Blanca Beach Resorts.